Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Braze account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove an admin or a team member from your Braze account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove an admin or a team member from your Braze account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and sometimes they go their own way, so you need to remove access to your Braze. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Braze dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Braze account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to remove an admin, here on the left menu, you're going to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see another pop-up menu, and you're going to click here on company users. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the users and admins you have in your company. You can see there's just two, and in order to delete or remove an admin, just hover over their name. Once you do that, you're going to see a trash can pop up over here to the right. Just click on the trash can. Once you do that, you're going to get this warning. Are you sure you want to delete this user from your Braze account? If so, click on the red delete button. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. You're going to see this green pop up that user has been removed from your Braze account. So they no longer have access to your campaigns unless you come back in here and re-add them. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an admin or a team member from your Braze account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.